Hello everyone, I'm Alvin. Welcome back to my Excel Basic tutorial. This is the final lesson, so you should pay more attention to it. So let's get started. Alright, so finally I'm gonna do the rank formula. The concept of rank formula is more complicated, but it has a simple formula structure. So don't worry, let's do it. And I'd like to find out the rank of this student from their average. So I click on the cell and type equal signs as usual, and type in rank and give it a left parenthesis. And the first argument will be the number I want to find is rank 4, so the number is K5. I click on it and give it a comma. And then the reference, what am I comparing to? I want to compare it to all the other scores. So I start at the first cell and drag down with my mouse. This is my reference. The action is to describe the range we are going to compare. So here I'm just hit enter. So Andy is in the F place, and it seems to make sense. But when you copy your formula down to the other student like this, you will find out Chamberlain got the first place. However, his score is not the highest, but he got the first place. Is this the formula wrong? No, it's because when you copy the formula down to the other students, your reference changes. So here I don't want to change the reference of our formula. What should we do? I delete the formula first, and we can do the absolutely reference by typing the sign of money and hit the hotkey F4. You can choose one of them to give you the absolutely reference. Okay, so I'll show you. And did you notice that the range we described will change when I copy the formula to the other follow cell? And that's why I can calculate the value of all the other students. So this time I don't want my reference changed, so I highlight the reference here, the second argument. I highlight it and hit the hotkey F4 to give it a money sign. Alright, so all I have to do is hit enter and copy the formula down to the other students, just like what I do before. And you will find out this is the correct rank. So this is the rank formula. So we finally finished our transcript, and it's up to you to practice more and more. And remember that the only way to get familiar with Excel is to practice and practice. This is my Excel tutorial. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time. Bye.